Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today, Saturday, June 5th, 2021. It is 3:24 and 49 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, laboratory techniques. So let's hop to it here. Adapting laboratory techniques for remote instruction. Date June 4th, 2021. Source, Carl R. Woetz, Institute for Genomic Biology. University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Researchers designed a laboratory exercise to teach students how to use micropipettes through remote learning using at-home kits. The COVID-19 pandemic forced instructors to adapt their courses for online learning. Laboratory courses were particularly difficult due to lack of access to specialized equipment for remote learners. Micropipettes are common and essential. Laboratory instruments are used in several fields, including molecular biology, microbiology, and biochemistry. They are used to accurately transfer very small volumes of liquid to teach students how to use these instruments. The researchers developed kits costing $135 per student that were a fraction of the cost of instructional equipment that is normally used for in-person classes. Although the laboratory kits have been developed previously, they did not focus on micropipetting skills. In an effort to provide remote students with laboratory experiences, they developed and shipped kits to students. These kits contained equipment and reagents for them to practice their technique and perform experiments remotely. Each kit contained a mini-scale, a glucose meter, a pipette aid, and a set of micropipettes. Each student was provided with the kit, an instructional video, and a laboratory manual. They were instructed to follow the protocol step by step, with the goal of learning how to correctly dilute the glucose solutions and verifying their accuracy using the glucose meter. They also shared their data with the instructions for feedback and grading. The students also filled out surveys and courses, feedback forms about the effectiveness of these online classes. Researchers found that most of the students were excited to use laboratory equipment, despite being an online section. The researchers are now working to improve the exercise. Beyond COVID-19, there is still a need to develop remote laboratory learning opportunities for students who cannot attend in-person labs. Researchers say remote laboratory activities, similar to what we described, will be important in increasing access to STEM education. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.